Hello everyone, this is Umair Hassan and I'm going to solve question number 9 from 2016 May-June paper 2, variant is 2 and that is related to trigonometry. This question number 9 is about trigonometry. So let's see what is the question. Well, the diagram shows a vertical wind turbine. Yes, we have a wind turbine with blades 30 meter long. The blades are stationary, okay, they are stationary with the point A being at the maximum distance possible from the horizontal ground. Right now this is 30 and this one we don't know about it. Anyways, so the point B is such that the angle of elevation of A from B is 34. Angle of elevation of A and angle of elevation of C is also given, well, that is 25. Calculate the distance AB. Now this is a triangle ACB. No, that is a triangle. We are going to use this one. We are going to use law of sine. This in this triangle, what you know about it? You know this angle is 34 minus 25, that is 9. You know this length AC, this is 30. You know this angle. Why? Because if this is 25, this is 90, then this is 65. According to the rule that sum of all angles in triangle is 180, so you can find this 65. While this total angle is 180, so 180 minus 65 will give you 115. And we need to find this one, AB. Applying law of sine, AB divided by sine of 115, that is equal to AC divided by sine of 9. Well, from here you can find AB, that is AC is 30 over sine 9 into sine 115, and you can find its answer, that is 173.80 is your answer, that is in meters. That is the value for AB. In part number B of this question, this is a different wind turbine shown in the diagram on the next page. This is a wind turbine, has the center of its blades F. Well, the center of this turbine is F. You can see the center of the blade. Okay, 75 meter from base of the turbine D. So this center is 75 meter from base of the turbine, that is D. Well, point E is on sloping ground 180 meter from F. Point E is on sloping ground 180 meter from F, and the distance of E from D, distance of E is 130 meter from D, and you can see that in diagram. This one, E is 130 meter from D, and we have to calculate angle of depression of E from F. So angle of depression of E from F is to be calculated. So you can find this angle of depression, that is basically you want to know about this one. So first of all, find this one using law of cosines. Well, that is if this is DFE, this angle is DFE, then DE square is equal to DF square plus FE square minus 2 times DF into FE into cos of this angle. So you need this one. First of all, find this one. DE 130 square, DF square 75 square, FE square 180 square, DF 75, FE 180. You can move 75 square 180 square on the left side. First of all, they will be subtracted on the left side, and then you can move this term over there. So it will divide here. When it will come over here, that is cos DFE, and from here the answer for this one is 0.7824, and when you will move cos on the left side, it will be cos inverse 0.7824, that the angle, no, this angle is 38.518. However, this is the required angle of depression, so this whole angle is 90 minus 38.518. Well, that will be nearly equal to 51.48 degrees. So this is the angle of depression required. Well, part C is P is the point on a blade which is furthest from the center of the blade. So basically we have a point P and it is furthest from the center of the blade. Each blade is 30 meter long, so this is 30. Calculate the distance traveled by P. Distance traveled by P as the blade completes one revolution. One revolution means blade will rotate like this. So it will form, basically it will form a circle, this one, and P will rotate along the circumference of circle like this. So this is the circle where P will rotate like this. So actually this circle has radius of 30, because from center till here we have 30 meters, the length of the blade. This circle having radius 30, we need to find the circumference where P is basically moving, and one revolution mean one complete circle, so that is 2 pi r. This is circumference. So you can find 2 pi is 22 by 7, r is 30. So 188.52 meter is the distance traveled by P. Distance traveled by P. Okay, in one revolution. Part 2 is the blade completes 15 revolutions. This blade completes 15 revolutions per minute. 15 revolutions per minute. So we need to find the speed of P. Speed of P, giving your answer in kilometer per hour. Speed is distance over time. Speed of P is distance traveled by P in 15 revolutions divided by time. So distance traveled by P in one revolution is 188.52. In 15 revolution, distance traveled by P is 15 multiplied by distance traveled in one revolution, that is 2827.8 meter. Convert it in kilometer by dividing this by 1000, that is 2.827 kilometer. This is the distance traveled by P in 15 revolutions. Now you have to, now this is revolution per minute, so this distance is 2.827 kilometer per minute. You need to convert it in hours by dividing minute by 60. When you will divide minute by 60, 60 will be multiplied here with 2.827, it will be 169.62 kilometers per hour, the distance traveled by P in 15 revolutions. Sorry, that is the speed of P in kilometers per hour. So part 3 says a point Q lies on the straight line between P and center of blade. This is center of blade, this is P, Q lies in the middle of center and P. Well, Q travels 90 meter as blade complete one revolution. Blade complete one revolution, so Q travels 90 meter. Well, that means the circle formed by Q, this circle is formed by Q as it rotates. So basically as it complete one revolution, the distance of this circumference, the length of this circumference is 90 and circumference is 2 pi r. So this circumference is 2 pi r and it is 90 in case of Q, 90 this complete. So from here you can find r, 90 over 2 pi, that is 14.32 meter. This is basically the radius of the circle formed by Q, which means from here till here where you have point Q. From the center of blade till point Q, we have radius that is equal to 14.322, while this total length of blade is 30. So distance from P to Q is total length of blade minus this radius of the circle formed by Q, which is 14.322. So 30 minus 14.322 will give you PQ 15.67 meters. So this is the solution for question number 9 of paper 2016 May-June variant is 2-2. So keep watching. Thank you so much.